Here are two really super simple, easy meal prep hacks that anybody can do to make sure that you have healthy, nutritious food ready for you at all times. Today is day 3 of a balanced approach of 25 pounds to weight loss as a woman over 40. And in this series, I'm sharing with you my personal journey of losing 25 pounds as a woman over 40. And so today I wanted to share with you two quick meal prep strategies that are going to save you a ton of time. The first is you can really easily steam vegetables in your microwave using one of these fancy little vegetable steamers. It's a silicone steamer that you can put right in your microwave. It's got a tray in here. You put the vegetables in there, a little bit of water underneath the tray. You put this right in your microwave, put it in for anywhere between like 4 and 5 minutes, and it steams up your vegetables nicely. You can also use a rice steamer. You've got these trays here that come in your rice steamers. You can put a little bit of water in the bottom of your rice steamer, put your vegetables in there. I have found that a lot of vegetables such as broccoli, green beans, Brussels sprouts, things like this, about 6 to 7 minutes, it's perfectly done. The second thing I want to share with you is how to meal prep some rice that's got a little bit of additional flavor into it. So I do like different kinds of rice. I like white rice, I like brown rice, I like jasmine rice. I like all different kinds of rice. But sometimes rice can get a little plain and boring. So I got a couple different strategies. But so what you can do is you can put rice here in the rice maker, put in a cup of rice, however much you want, and then double the amount of fluid that goes in there and cook the rice. So you can use water, or what you can do to add a little bit of flavor is to add some chicken broth. You can add chicken broth to your rice. So if you put in 1 cup of rice, put in 2 cups of chicken broth, let it steam. It does take 45 minutes to an hour or so, just depending on how much you put in there. But you can make it on Sundays, and then you have enough rice to use throughout the rest of the week. The other thing that you can do is you can add in, these are like oven fryer, air fryer breading for chicken, for different kinds of meats. You can get these different breading seasonings. And then I just add a packet of that into the rice. So if you've got your rice in there, maybe your chicken broth or just plain water, and then you can add a seasoning, a packet of one of these air fryers, it's like breading for your chicken. You could just put that right in there for a little additional extra seasoning to your rice. Today is day 3 of a balanced approach to 25 pounds of weight loss as a woman over 40. Follow me for more tips and strategies.